Hey friends, whenever someone wishes to renovate the apartment, the very first question which comes into mind is about the cost. This video is an effort to help you know the real costs for apartment renovation. Some people like to know a rough figure for the whole project, but in this case, the problem is that sometimes this can vary a lot later on when a renovation company prepares its official and detailed quote. If you just like to have a rough idea about the costs, then you can read our articles which are shared in the description box. These articles will help you a lot to understand the renovation process. The real question is how to know the exact figure for your renovation project. The best way is to contact an apartment renovation company for a free quote. There are companies which offer free quotes. You can have at least 3 quotes, and this way you will have a clear idea about the renovation or remodeling costs if you have a renovation project. We also offer free quotes. In addition, if you are on budget, then we can also tell you the ways to reduce the costs for your project. So if you have a renovation project, do not hesitate to call us for the free quote. This way, you will have the exact amount for your project. Take care. Bye-bye.